Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about sex determination. After discussion of chromosomal basis of inheritance or principle of chromosomal inheritance, after a discussion of Mendelian law, and then linkage and crossing over, today we are going to discuss how sex is determined in sexually reproducing organism. So in the next slide, here you see. In the next slide, here you see the type of sex determination we are going to discuss are. First one is the XX-XO type of sex determination. Second is XX-XY type. Here, first one found in caterpillar and as well as in grasshopper, and second one in human being, and third one ZZ-ZW type of sex determination. It is found in bird. So here also given the examples here about the three types of sex determination. What is sex determination? Hanking 1891 traced specific nuclear structure during spermatogenesis. That means during formation of sperm in case of some insect. Hanking 1891 observed some specific nuclear structure. So 50% of the sperm received this specific structure, whereas 50% sperm did not receive it. So he gave a name to this structure as the X body. So previously, sex chromosomes are called X body, and who gave the term? That is the Hanking, and then it was later named as X chromosome. So sex determination depend mainly on X chromosome and Y chromosome, basically in X chromosome. So first type of sex chromosome that is found in grasshopper, that is XX-XO type of sex determination. The grasshopper contain 12 pairs or 24 chromosomes. The male have only 23 chromosomes. So here we found that sex determination in grasshoppers is what type of sex determination? It is called XX and XO type. So the grasshopper contain 12 pairs. That means 24 pairs or 24 total chromosomes. The male has only 23 chromosomes. So in case of male, total number of chromosomes is 23, and in case of female, it is 24. All eggs bear one type of chromosome, that is X chromosome. So here first one XX means it is found in female, along with autosomes. That means besides body chromosomes, there are actually sex chromosome in every sexually reproducing organism. And in case of female, besides autosome, it bears sex chromosome X. So all eggs are 100% eggs are X chromosome type. They bear X only. While in case of some sperms, 50% bear X, while 50% do not bear X. Here, that means in case of male, 23 chromosomes total are found. So here one X is present in 50% and another with 50%, and sperms or gametes, male gametes are without X chromosome. So egg fertilized with sperm having X chromosome are female. That means here 22 pairs plus 2 X chromosome defines that. In case of female, it has total 24 chromosome. So these 22 are autosome body chromosome, and XX defines the female. While in case of egg that fertilize with sperm without X chromosome, their chromosomal structure will be 22 autosome plus XO type. So these are male and these are female. So this is the type of XX-XO type of sex determination. So here in this Punnett chart also we can define this. Here AA defines the autosome. You does not have to write the total number of chromosome, that is 22 plus XX, but here you also can write AA means autosome chromosome and XX means sex chromosome. This is the female parent, and here is the male parent with AA-XO type. When gamete formation occurs, A and X chromosome move in one gamete, A X chromosome also move in another gamete. In case of male, AO instead of X, AO found. So in F1 generation, females along with 2AA or autosome and 2 X chromosome. 2AA means they are diploid organism, and here also 2A means diploid organism, but here in case of female, total 23 chromosomes are there. So 1 X chromosome, 1 without X chromosome, or 0. So second type is called XXXY type. It is found in human being. Sex determination in some insect and mammal also found in form of XXXY type. In this type, both male and female have same number of chromosomes. Female have autosomes and a pair of X chromosome, that is AA defined autosome plus XX defined sex chromosome. Since we know that in every sexually reproducing organism, 2 sex chromosomes are found. And in case of male, the autosome along with 1 large X chromosome and 1 very small Y chromosome. So in case of male, XY sex chromosomes are found, and in case of female, XX sex chromosome are found. So in this type, male is heterozygous. Heterozygous means 50% male gamete are with X chromosome, 50% male are with Y chromosome during gametogenesis or spermatogenesis. But in case of female, during oogenesis or during egg formation, all of the eggs are with X chromosome. So here is the Punnett square chart. Here the father's chromosomal structure shows that, and we know that in case of human being, 46 chromosomes are there total. So in case of father or male, 44 autosome plus XY chromosome. It is when distributed in gametes during gametogenesis. In case of male, 22 plus 1 X chromosome move in one gamete, and 22 plus Y move in another gamete. Similarly, in case of female, 22 plus 1X, and here also 22 plus another X. So these two are egg and these two are male gamete. So when they are fertilized, this type of male gamete with this type of egg, its total chromosome will be 44 plus XX. Similarly, this type when crossed with or fertilized with this type of A, then it will produces 44 plus XS. And the second type, 22 plus Y, when crossed with egg with 22 plus X, it will produces 44 plus XY. And this type again, when crossed with this type of A, then it will produces 44 plus as XY. So here we found that 2 girls are produced and 2 boys are produced. How we can determine whether the sex chromosome XY or XX. Here XX means the baby girl, the baby is actually a girl or female, and when in the sex chromosome are XY, that will be boy or the baby boy. So last type is the ZZZW type of sex determination. It is basically found in bird. Here in this type, female bird has 2 different sex chromosomes. In previous, we found that male has 2 different types of gamete, while in case of bird, female produces 2 different type of gamete. That means their gametes will be Z and W. That means female has 2 types of sex chromosome, Z and W. Male bird has similar type of sex chromosome, that is ZZ. So here is quite different from the first type, that is XXXO type, and second type, that is XXXY type. In this type of sex determination, female is heterozygotes or heterogametes, and male is homogametes. Heterogametes means female produces 2 type of gametes, one with Z, other with 50% with W, while male produces 2 same type of gamete, that is only Z type of gamete. So here is the Punnett square chart. Here male autosome gene plus ZZ, these are male, and female with ZW. So in 50%, they produce ZW, these 2 females, and similarly 2 males are produced when they are homogametes or same. So this is the end of the slide. And today we discuss about sex determination. Sex determination means how sex is determined in sexually reproducing organism. We found that sex determination was discovered by Henkin, and it is a method of determination of different and gender of living sexually reproducing organism. Either it may be bird, insect, or human being. So On the basis of their sex chromosome, they are divided into 3 types: XXXO, XXXY, and ZZZW. In XXXO, the females are homogamitic and males are heterogamitic. In XXXY, similarly, females are homogamic and males are heterogamic. But in case of ZZZW, the ZZ means males are homogamic and ZW means females are heterogamic. So if there is any doubt, you can ask me questions. And this is a very important part in principle of inheritance, and it is a common question. What always asks about what is the sex determination method of human being. Then you can write this XXXY type, and you also have to give the this Punnett square chart. So thank you, student, for attending today's class.